In React, in order to get values off of inputs, text areas, checkboxes, we have this concept called refs, or references, that we can place on these inputs. So to demonstrate this, let's go ahead and create a form. And we're going to have a form with an onSubmit that's equal to this.submitForm dot bind this, and we need to make sure we end that form tag and completely end the form tag, and then we're going to pass an input in there with a type of equal to text, and then we need to make sure that we actually create this submit form method, and it's going to take the event passed to it, and we're going to prevent default on this event. So if we save and run, we'll see an input box, and we can type in it and hit enter, and nothing's going to happen because we're not doing anything within our submit form method. So if we wanted to get the input value off of this input, we can add a ref of equal to text, and then from here we can do console.log this.refs, because refs is an object that contains all of the refs from your render method. .text .value, because text is a DOM node, so we want to get the value off of that. So if we save this and we run with JS again, and I type test here and hit enter, you can see in the console we're console logging the value of this input. Now, a shorter way to do this .bind this in ES6 is we can just do : in front of this. So if I save this again, run, and type test2, we can see that it console.logs test2, and it looks a little bit cleaner. So as you can see, you can put a reference on pretty much any DOM node. It doesn't actually have to be an input or a text area, but normally you would use this to get the input value or text area value for a form.